What we're going to try to do is make some chicken Parmesan or some chicken with Parmesan on it. I don't know if it'll actually be a chicken Parmesan. Apparently you're supposed to butterfly the chicken. I've never done that before. We'll do some wax paper just for the heck of it. Honestly, I don't know if this one needs to be butterflied, but we're going to give it a go. Cut halfway in. Then cut out like so. Kind of like an alien a little bit. This one's much more butterfly-y. And then go outward. Think I'm doing that right? There we go, perfect. Supposed to pulverize the chicken. I've never pulverized chicken before. So we're gonna give it a try. I also don't have a pulverizer. So we're gonna use the old sledgehammer. Sure. Hey, get down. It's not for you. I know it's exciting, huh? Guess that's pulverized. Sure, why not? Instead of the baking it, we're gonna throw it in the barbecue. Do you go now? Do you wait till they're completely ashen? You wait till they're completely ashen. All your coals are gone. Let's get that dog slobber off the grill there. Right for us. Oh, that's hot, 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 hot. It's gonna be more like a pizza than a Parmesan. Some mushrooms, jalapeno, and the marinara sauce. Ooh, some garlic too, yes. Mushroom. Bonus little chicken nugget there. Let's try that out in the marinara sauce. First chicken stick looks pretty good. Alright, supposed to throw it in the oven, but we're going to throw it in the barbecue because it's so hot. And we're going to see how this comes out. Well, I dare say this thing came out pretty good. I think the oven's going to work a lot better because the jalapenos look a little raw. Let's get a little... Alright, look at that thing. Yeah, I don't think the whole top's warm, but I don't really care. I'm kind of hungry. That looks pretty damn good. Chicken with some cheese on it. Pretty would make again. In fact, I got one in the microwave right there waiting. Bye-bye.